Hello. In this video, we'll take a quick look at what games are included in the new version 2.0 release of the plugins. When you first open the interactivity panel, you'll notice that the games are locked. When you click on the games, a hyperlink will launch a browser and take you to the Aquafatis store, where you can purchase the games separately. To unlock any of the games, you will need to purchase licenses for the games. Once you reload the interactivity panel, the games you purchase will be unlocked. The new game enrichments included in version 2 are jigsaw puzzles, mazes, memory games, the ability to add motion composer files, slice games, and drawing games. I'll start out by showing you how to create a simple jigsaw puzzle game. First, you make a frame on an article in a project. Next, you choose Jigsaw as the enrichment. You need to select the folder to navigate to the image you want to use for the puzzle. The piece count determines the number of pieces the puzzle will contain. The padding is the overlap between the pieces. You can add multiple puzzles within the section so that a new puzzle will open upon completion of a previous puzzle. You can also assign actions to each puzzle when the puzzle is completed. Now you need to save the file. Then you can preview this puzzle in My Kiosk. Once the file is generated, you can see how a user will interact with the puzzle to put the pieces together. This next puzzle is an example of what is possible within a jigsaw game. When I enter the game, I can choose easy, normal, or hard. These are links to different puzzles that I've built. I can choose the level, then complete the puzzle. Upon completion, an audio file is launched with a clapping noise. After I've finished the puzzle game, I can click on a button to reset the game. Next, we'll take a look at the maze game. Within InDesign, there are many settings that you need to define, such as the background image, cursor, cursor location, and the collision map, which tells the cursor where it can and cannot move. Once it is all set up, it is very easy to edit. You can see that from within the maze game, I can move Little Red Riding Hood around the maze, and small footsteps are rendered as I drag. This is just a reference to a single image of the footsteps. Once I complete the maze, a congratulations image appears. If I click on that image, it then opens a harder maze. Next, we'll look at the slice game. Slice is a matching game where the user needs to match the slices based on the image shown in the model window. This is a time game that also keeps score. Now let's take a look at our matching game. The matching game shows you the cards for just a few seconds. Then you must match the cards after they flip over. Every graphic within all of the games we've seen, including this one, is customizable. You can also control whether or not the games are timed, or if they go on infinitely until a person has completed the game. This next example is the drawing game. You can define the image you want people to color, the kinds of brushes you want them to use, and there is also a fill feature. Version 2.0 also includes the power to import motion composer files into your layout. Motion Composer is our product that creates Flash and HTML5 files. This means that you can now create animations, animated type, even simple websites, and import them into your InDesign layout. But that's not all. We have added DPS actions inside Motion Composer. These actions let you call a reader action from the animation. For example, jump to a page. Similarly, you can call an action inside the HTML5 animation from a button placed on the page. As you've seen, there is a lot of great new games inside our brand new version 2 release of our AVE publishing plugins for InDesign. Keep checking in, as more videos that describe each one of these new features in detail will soon be posted. Thanks.